Oi, sir. They call it Dunkirk. It's McIntyre Villa. It's over in East Kingston, and they say the place is so hot as in gang warfare, that they say not even Santa Claus can pass through. Whoa.
Yeah.
But Deputy Superintendent Christopher Brown, who's the crime chief for the Kingston East Police Division, is saying to the residents that they'll be patrolling the area and they will allow them to go about their normal business. And he says Christmas can't cancel because Christmas is about peace, joy, and goodwill to all men. So whatever activities the police are doing to ensure there is peace, joy, and goodwill for all men, that's what they will continue to do, Mr. Brown said. He said, we have intervened to arrest. We have intervened through meetings. We have intervened through involvement of stakeholders, resulting in walks and activities geared towards improving the persons in that community economic standing, but the tension still continues with the most recent killing of someone in the area happened on Tuesday. Oh.
Wow. They're saying gangsters from a section of the community known as Top Road and another known as Sight have engaged in a deadly dispute over the past few months. Guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, think about the kids. Dunkirk, what up to? Think about the children. If it's even that, give them a little peace for the holiday and heading into the end of the year. Just give them a little peace. We're asking. You know what I mean? Don't call no excess pressure on yourself. No police, soldier, people getting Dunkirk. It's just going to be just so Dunkirk. Me no want to stop it. I beg you, please.
Yeah, I've actually had family living in Dunkirk and stuff, so y'all, let's see if we could at least have a truce over the holidays.
Yeah, people are saying this one killed that one. Make the police solve it.
But even over the holidays, we'll see if we can just hold it down too. We must hold it down period.
Permanently.
But
make the police solve the murder if you think so. Give them the evidence and let them deal with it.
All right, we move on. More killing, but we hear that there's a slight decrease in the number of persons killed in motor vehicles in the second half of the year.
Good news.
So according to statistics from the Road Safety Unit, 131 persons have died in motor vehicle crashes since July 1, which is too many. Yeah. This compares to 172 between January and June. Overall, road fatalities are down 16%. A total of 303 persons have died on the nation's roadways so far this year. 16 persons died in motor vehicle crashes in October alone. They say the lowest over 1 month period in the last 5 years. 16 is the lowest.
303 is still too much.
Oh, you mean? We are too many.
Take your time. I still see a lot of careless, reckless driving on the street. And you know what annoys me, Neville, is that most of the times, the person who is driving recklessly is putting other people in danger. Them go about them business, run you into a next car off the road or something. So, please, it's a silly season. I don't know why them call it silly season. Stop being silly on the road.
I remember my mother and my father getting a little argument.
Over that?
Yeah, my mother said, my father was kind of suggesting that she can't drive. And she said, I've never been in an accident. And she walked away. And him just quietly say, you know how much accident your cause? She never hear him, or I think they would have did break up then.
I think that one would have been a major accident if she heard him.
All right, what's the last one here?
Putin thanks Trump for CIA's help in stopping terror attacks.
Yeah, they say information obtained from the CIA was sufficient to search for an arrest of criminals, the Kremlin statement said. Trump was also asked to forward Putin's appreciation to CIA Director Mike Pompeo and the intelligence officials who obtained the information. Well, there you go.
I never know if I say.
Yeah, well.
I'm glad the terrorist attack was stopped.
I don't know.
Looks a little Putin and Trump.
Yeah.
But okay. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah. All right, time for some birthdays. Happy birthday to Stacey Ann Pink. Stacey Ann, I hope you have a great day. The greetings coming from your mom, Michelle, your sisters, Tamika and Mishka, your loved one, Ranjay, and it says other friends, and they say, may you live to see many more. We certainly pray that you do. Birthday greetings to my brother, Clifford Dockery. They call him Sleepy or Vanny. Greetings coming from sister and the rest of the family, wishing you God's richest blessings, and of course your sister is Evadne Dockery, who works here with us. Where's the great Everett Deverett? Belated happy birthday to Simone. Simone, them don't give me a last name. She works at the Jamaica Bauxite Mining in Ocho-Rios. And it's my brother who asked me to send that greeting to you.
So why you throw your brother under the bus?
Because him just said Simone.
And Simone one worker bauxite mining.
All right,
in
there you go.
Come
There
on,
you
man.
go.
Sure.
And Debbie and Gordon. Debbie and your auntie Kimmy gave me this on Friday. It's my fault. Don't vex with that. But Friday was a little mix-up through we were outside and I never got to do it. So Debbie and I hope you had a great day. It's coming from your auntie Kimmy and the rest of the family. All right, who is this fellow now? Let me get this right. This is Kevin Mackenzie. Yeah, see it here? Dr. K. Mackenzie, it says. Kevin
Dr. K. Mackenzie.
Well, it's a very good thing for them things, Dr. K. No,
Oh,
that?
Jesus.
Or DR. Kevin Mackenzie. Greetings coming from your mom, Keisha.
Career day.
Yeah, your dad, Anthony, and the rest of the family. And I have another one. Where's Kai? Here is Kai right here. Kai is my good friend. Happy birthday to Kai Peter. Kai is 11 years old tomorrow. But I wanted to do it. It's from your mom, Karen. Hold on, man. Your mom, Karen, your brother, your auntie, your uncle, and of course from me. Kai, last time I tell you happy birthday, you weren't here, you know. And I just talk like a crazy, you know. So I hear you're here this time. And I hope you're watching now. And I wish you an absolutely
You talk
brilliant
like
day.
you're crazy.
Oh, it's Deborah and Gordon, not Debbie. So it's Deborah and Gordon.
Oh, jeez.
Deborah, all right. But your name, Debbie, stick. I decided to call you Debbie. So, Kai, hope you're waving back, you know, because I know you're here. So, have a brilliant day tomorrow. Many happy returns. And we all love you. Your time.
No, we out of time. Birthday greeting.
Oh, you do have none.
To the rest
Where
of
your
people,
phone?
them have a birthday.
Where your phone? I should have your phone. That should have known. I should have my phone. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.